Today's video comes to us from Allison Bruning. Allison is a principal from Academic Warriors. They offer interesting ways that parents can encourage their children to remain academically active during break without realizing that they're still learning. So that falls right into what we're doing here at Smarter This Summer. Let's watch Allison's video.
Hi, my name is Allison Bruning, and I'm the founder and principal of Academic Warriors. Academic Warriors is an online school for autistic, gifted, and special needs kids. The summer can be very busy for all families, and sometimes parents think, how do I keep my students actively engaged so that when they return to school, they're ready for school? Well, a lot of times the answers are in your own backyard. A lot of parks, zoos, museums, and cultural areas and other places or other organizations will hold day camps or special events for students during the summer. And these places are going to help the kids continually learn about science, history, sometimes writing, sometimes reading. Your local library should have a summer reading program for the kids to participate in. It's really important to get these kids out into these local events and visit the organizations so that the kids can continue to learn throughout the summer. And the great thing about these organizations and these events is a lot of times the kids don't even know they're learning. They just go along with the flow because they think it's fun. So those are the best things you can do. Now, how do we find out if the organization is holding an event? A lot of times the websites will have the special events on there so you can pre-plan. You just go to the organization's website. You can find them on social media through Facebook pages as well, or talk to your local chamber. These are three excellent ways that you can get information for your students. And then once you get that information, just go ahead and put it in a calendar. Let the kids help you decide which event they can go to. Another key thing you can do in the summer are summer camps. I realize that not all areas of the United States have summer camps, but if you're fortunate enough to live in the country, in the area of our country that have summer camps, go ahead and check those out as well. 4-H, Girl Scouts, churches, there's a whole bunch of camps out there. There's horse camps, there's farms that you can visit as well that should have programs in them. Sometimes your local parks have events for kids. So not only check out the museums and the zoos and the other organizations, but check out the campgrounds, check out the camps, and other cultural events that might be in your area. Third thing that you could do is also go RVing or go camping with your kids. Take them to a national, state, or local park, and sometimes there's programs there for kids as well. In national parks, you can camp there, and they have like nightly programs where sometimes the kids can see like bats. They can learn about bats. They can learn about all kinds of different wildlife. And so just get on the internet and the Facebook pages, take a look at the camps and the museums and the parks and the zoo and aquariums. And you can even choose a vacation well around your kids going to these different places as well. There are so many options open to parents that will keep the kids actively engaged this summer. Well, my name's Allison Bruning, and I've enjoyed talking to you all. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on our website, www.academicwarriors.com. Thanks. Have a great summer, everyone. Bye.
Thanks, Allison, for giving us the reminder that there are local places where we can do learning over the summer. In today's day and age, it's really easy to be isolated, especially with electronics. It's easier to stay in sometimes, and you go to the internet for everything you need, but your community is right there, and there's a lot of cool things going on over the summer. Sometimes you just have to look for them. So that was a great reminder. Thank you so much. I'm Liz Weaver from Learning Success. Thanks for showing up to embrace your child's brilliance and unleash their potential. Remember to share this video, send an email to a friend. They can join at any time. The more the merrier. We're happy to have everyone. Be sure to upload videos of your tips, tricks, and ideas, and we'll see you in the next video.